Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you all are in good health. I am your science teacher of grade 7. Students, open your books, page number 6. In previous class we were started respiratory system. We were also discussed breathing. Today our topic is inside your lungs. What will happen inside our lungs? Before starting this topic, I will show you a sketch. Inside your lungs. In lungs, when the airs come through mouth and nose through trachea. Trachea is actually windpipe. This trachea is divided into two tubes known as bronchi. These bronchi is divided into further tiny tubes known as bronchioles. These bronchioles have air sac at the end known as alveoli. The diffusion takes place in alveoli. There is exchange of deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. Come to the book, page number 6. A strong windpipe called the trachea carries air down from nose and mouth. The windpipe divides into two tubes called bronchi. The bronchi divides into thousands of narrow tubes called bronchioles, which end in tiny air sacs or alveoli. As I told you that trachea is divided into two tubes known as bronchi. These bronchi are further divided into 1,000 tubes known as bronchioles. These bronchioles end in tiny air sacs known as alveoli. Come to the next page, page number 7. Threaded between the bronchioles is another set of branching tubes shown red on the diagram. These are arteries carry blood to the alveoli. What is the function of arteries? Arteries actually carry blood to the alveoli. Underline this function. Arteries carry blood to the alveoli. Now what are alveoli? It's present inside the lungs. Each alveolus is surrounded by a network of capillaries. The blood arriving at the capillaries in the lungs is short of oxygen. Alveoli have thin moist walls so that gases can pass through them easily. They provide a large surface area to give maximum contact with the air. Oxygen moves from the air inside the alveoli into the blood in capillaries. It moves easily by diffusion. At the same time, carbon dioxide moves in the opposite direction from blood to the air. This swapping of oxygen and carbon dioxide is gas exchange. Now look at the diagram. Alveoli have thin moist wall. This from here the deoxygenated blood comes. The deoxygenated blood comes and from here oxygenated blood goes out. Here is a exchange of gases. The oxygen and carbon dioxide. There is exchange between oxygen and carbon dioxide. Diffusion can also take place in this alveoli. Here is a network. This network can exchange the gases. This blue lines is deoxygenated blood and red is oxygenated blood. Come to this diagram. The deoxygenated blood goes from here and the oxygenated blood comes out from here. Oxygen diffusion into red blood cells. Carbon dioxide diffusion out of blood plasma. There is a oxygen diffusion in red blood cell and carbon dioxide diffusion out of blood plasma. Air moves in and out of alveoli during breathing. There is a in and out of air. There is a gas exchange between in alveoli. There is in and out of air in alveoli. It's enough for today. Thank you students. Have a nice day.